Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. I'm very excited about today's video because I have two new products to me that I have never tried before. Well, hence it's why it's new, you know. I thought I'd start with lip products. I really wanted to try the lip products. There's a new gloss that came out recently and I really wanted to just see what the formula was like. They're not cheap, guys. They're pretty pricey. I hear so many people talk about how great the makeup line is. It's pretty curated itself. I personally kind of like that because it seems as though they put a lot of thought, creativity within their line and really want to make really good products. I just want to thank y'all so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. I'd appreciate it so much. It helps me out as a content creator and I'm just so thankful you guys have clicked on this video. I hope you enjoy it. Getting into what I purchased, I actually ordered mine from the Sisley boutique in Las Vegas. This is the new Sisley-Paris Le Phyto-Gloss. This is number 2. Look at this packaging, you guys. How cool is this packaging? It's just so neat. It's really pretty. It has this beautiful, almost pink shimmer to it. So some of these have shimmer and some don't. Some shimmer reflect in it. So pretty. I love it. It has a little doe foot applicator, but it's pretty thin, not very big at all. The next product that I picked up, I hear is very popular. It is the Phyto-Lip Twist Stick lip product. This one here, now this is in shade 15. It's kind of like a little brownie shade. And when I swatched this, it's definitely more sheer than I thought it would be, but I like it. You can build it too. So that's kind of nice. So a little bit about this product here. It is a tinted balm colored like a lipstick and shiny like a gloss. That is a great description of this particular product. It is applied with a single twist and leaves the lips supple, moisturized, visibly smooth, and plumped, thanks to its cocktail of original plant-based key ingredients. It does not need a sharpener, it says. So that's interesting as well. This guy was $50. That's a lot for a tinted lip balm, but we're gonna try it on today to see what it's like. Ooh, it's definitely very smooth. I love this color. That is so pretty. This is shade 15. I like that it's kind of pointed and you can almost use it as a lip liner. That is so pretty on its own. Wow, I like this. Now, I don't know how long it will last. I'll let you know down in the comments below how long it does last. So this is shade 15 in the Phyto-Lip Twist. So I took that off. I really want to show the gloss on its own so you can see what it looks like. I picked up the Le Phyto-Gloss number 2 in Aurora, and it was so hard to decide on just one. I could have chosen about 3 or 4, but these little guys are $55 a piece, so I was trying to be good. Just a little bit about the particular product itself. On their website, Sisley's website, it says it's a combination of intense shine and ultra sensory carrying formula for plumped and smoothed lips. The heart of the formula is a hydro booster complex composed of hyaluronic acid, cognac glucomanins, which plump and smooth the appearance of lips. I've never heard of that particular ingredient before, but that sounds good. Its enveloping texture is ultra creamy, blending perfectly into the lips and coating them with a fine and silky texture for an addictive, soothing sensation. Each time you pucker your lips, the sensation is reactivated to ensure absolute comfort. So this sounds really cool. There's 10 shades. They're $55 a piece, and I picked shade 2 Aurora. Oh, it also has macadamia oil, vitamin E, and shea oil in these glosses. So just an FYI. Let's apply shade 2 Aurora to the lips. Ooh, it definitely feels very nice and it's so pretty. Now, yes, it does have some pink sparkly reflect in it. I kind of like that, but I like that the undertone is deeper, not as pink and sparkly, like bubblegum pink or anything like that. It's very natural and it's very sophisticated in its shine and sparkle, which I prefer. I like something that is a little bit more sophisticated. It feels really good, really nice on the lip, not sticky at all. This is pretty. I like it on its own too. I think it does really well by itself. You don't need necessarily a lip liner or a lipstick under it. This is Aurora in the lip gloss. Okay, I thought for fun we'd put them on together to see what they looked like layered. I'm going to go ahead and put the Phyto-Lip Twist in 15 on my lip and then add the gloss on top. Ooh, it just gives it that little pop of shine on top, and I just really like that. I love these shades, and they feel very nice, and I like them both on their own, and I like them worn together. I think they're very, very nice. I'm glad I picked these shades. I kind of want to try more, cannot lie. From what I have tried so far, so good. I will let you know down in the comments kind of how these were, how they wear with drinking, eating, etc. I have a feeling they're not going to last super long because they are more of a balm and a gloss. You know, those don't last as long as a good old liquid lipstick. So I will let you know down in the comments below. But thank you guys again for watching. Have y'all tried anything from Sisley before? I'm curious to know what your favorites are because it's kind of a brand I've really been wanting to try more of. All right, y'all. Thank y'all again. I hope y'all are having a good week. Thanks so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.